Good morning. This is Krishna Nand Singh. Today, 4th September, Council of Architecture is going to announce your result, which was scheduled on 3rd of September. Post this result, there are a lot many things are important. So we'll discuss today all that point. What should be the cut-up, what is the minimum part A, part B marks, and the other information which you guys want to know, where to take admission, how to take admission, although. Should we continue this kind of video series or not? Although which we keep announcing or not, because we got so many messages, call yesterday, and in fact the comments in boxes. So if we are giving you the any kind of tension, anxiety, and because of us you guys are getting disturbed, so let us know today. So further we'll take it as your opinion poll, this one, and we'll follow the same to us. Well, so I'll start this discussion with first the Nata, your information. In this video, you will have the enough information about all this. So first most important point is Nata result to be scheduled to announce today based on the Council of Architecture. Then second thing which is from the Council of Architecture in this has been mentioned, and that's most important is, so date which was 4th of September, that today was the last date for second round to fill the form, that also extended by 2 days. So now you can fill the form till 6th of September. So exam dates are as it is 12th of September. In between there is no exam, there is because many of you had faced the problem during your exam, so here there is date as such for that. Now another point which is most important in this exam, if you will see, is extended by 6. You will have a week of the time to prepare and perform well. So make sure you check your result, let us know, write in the comment box, contact us. Based on your result you can start the planning and strategy, and we are planning free strategy classes today and tomorrow but based on your marks. It will be in the group and as well as individual also. So if you want a part of it, make sure you register. There is a link here. 3 steps we discussed earlier also. You can follow the Instagram, there you can send us in chat box a message, and you can directly contact on the number also following that step, and then you can download our Ignite India app. We'll give you the live classes also in this. So all these things we'll provide you today. Well, so today in this video we'll discuss point by point what all things are important also, but before that viewers, we want your opinion about the video series which we make, because this is really a for us it's very discouraging. We normally it's hardly effect but it's effect when it's re-affecting you, because we are getting a comment, okay, you giving us the false information, you are giving us this, but we'll see what yesterday information was. It was mentioned in all newspapers, it was there on print and e-media, so it's scheduled to be announced on 3rd, and that was the dates. And when we got the information from our sources, we contacted, it was mentioned 8 p.m. In fact, few of you know, because you also contacted and tell us, yeah, they have announced, they said that the result will announce today 8 p.m. that means on 3rd. That was announced in initial, but yeah, again the resource only said that, and immediately we inform you because of the glitch and problems which happen in server or some other way. So they schedule it next day immediately. Councils also have passed the notification. That's what we have given you, because it was not just scheduled long back. In fact, there was a press release, there was a media also have information about it, and without press release it's not come in media, it's just scheduled date. Nobody, none of the media announced. So after press release only it comes in a press and media. Well, so now we'll see that in this condition what we did, we try to find out the information, because since morning you guys are keep knocking and asking us, we cannot reply so many people. We take some call, we have told you, okay, this may possible, may comes tomorrow and all, and that also you guys have. If you are, which I message you and our team message you and call you, said that it will come tomorrow or today 8 p.m, that messages you have, please reply here, because we want to know that today it's very clearly, is that helping you or not, this channel, is that working for you or not. Because we getting a messages, are they from other platform or somebody, though they just the relationship and what we have here a call bounding, they want to disturb this, or is that really your problem? So if you guys are facing a problem, please, my opinion is you can immediately write in the comment box. You can show that okay, this problem happened because of us. We'll stop it immediately, we'll stop it. We do not want to continue which is not the social help. Our first agenda is people should get help from it, it's informative. Second point which we take care, okay, how we'll connect and it's make meaningful for you guys, because it is very important in this situation to it should reach to you the right things are. We do not want something it's not useful and that's information is there. So make sure you write in the comments. I want comment and how many of you got benefit also, which I get in call and messages. Your motivation make us to make another videos again and again. So if you feel like today watching this video, please write so that I can get to know that is that really helping you or not. So anyone, it's very clearly open, whatever you like it or you didn't like it, make sure you write it. That's completely up to us. Based on that analysis, based on your analysis, based on your comment here, the team will decide. We will see all these comments and accordingly we'll discuss. Yeah, further it's obviously if it's affect somebody, it's hurts, it's become a problem for the us also. I will move to the all information which was really relevant, very important you to know. First things, now it's clear, they will take 50% weightage of your Nata exam, and there is a 50% weightage wherever you are applying for the admissions, either you are applying for cassette or somewhere, that is your 12th board exam. So that's the first point. Second point is what I see post exam result that gonna be, there will be slightly around 25% weightage. So 32 marks for your part A and the 18 marks of your part B. So that will be the minimum marks you have to score in part A, part B. Part A is nothing, that's a design aptitude where you will have design question. Part B is your general aptitude. So there also you need minimum 18 marks. So minimum cutoff is required. Like suppose in a part A if you have 100 plus and part B you have a less, or part B you have 50, 60, 70, but part A you do not match the minimum cutoff, that means you are not eligible. For that, Ignite India, again, because you are watching from since starting this video, for you all especially, we have this what we decided, it will continue today until tomorrow morning, our multiple test paper series which is free. You can register and you can write that exams on our app, and and that will be the live test. The benefit is, second benefit is those live tests will give you again the grade also, so you can get to know that your marks part wise now, and you can decide accordingly, okay, where is your level of the preparation. When especially we are the one platform where after the test we make sure that there will be a classes also, so that you can come and discuss with us, okay, how this is helpful for you and why that answer is. So make sure you be a part of that also. Then we have plan especially for our expert, though have set the paper question, they will also give you a feedback session. Those classes we will also organize before your exam. So that's what we are committed for, and we are ensuring it. We will help you in this these things, but your comments and today's likes really matter a lot. We want all the viewer, though they have in whatever in a mindset and the problems are, because we can try to understand your problem and answer it, but we really want to know the real what is going on, so that we can follow the same things and accordingly we can make, because this all is on your demand. You guys wanted to know, you want us to make the video, you want us to give the information, that's what we are doing it informative. Other than that, our part is to announce our dates, class and all. So we'll continue with the all basics, but this information which you keep looking everywhere and not finding it, when the team put effort and try to get it and we are getting such responses, is really sad, because immediately we post the second video also to whatever information come to us. It takes a lot of effort behind. So if you find it is not useful, we are not working in the same direction which required, let us know that, because what is come to us, we are in between. What information come to us related to any exam, any segments, that we pass on. We don't make news, we don't make any announcement, we don't do anything from our side. So if that is not important, let us know, we'll work accordingly. So there are many more information about your post result, what all things are. So if you want to make us video on that, please let us know, and make sure join us for our series which is going on completely free, or else you can join the paid class also, however you want to. 3 step is very simple. First, here press the bell icon button, because all notification will come to this YouTube channel. Second thing, you can go and follow our Instagram page, because all the notification of class and batch code will be there. The third most important thing is, in the this morning, which is important for you, is to immediately write your comment here, so that we can get to know and we'll work accordingly as per that. Now end, and this is, and that will help you to get the best score. It is our promise, not a claim. You just need to put your 100%. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure keep inspiring us. Let us know that what is your comment, what is your view, so that accordingly we will work continue, because we do have also lot many things to do, and obviously we will follow, and we will do it what you guys want us to do. Thank you for watching this video.